Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to make a beautiful couple painting and I'm going to show an easy method to do it which will be very helpful for the beginners. So let's start coloring. To give the painting a different look, I drew an outline of a leaf, then pasted a masking tape and cut it along the border. Now I have used this crimson leg color. You can take anything like magenta or any color contrasting to that of white and blend it slow and gentle. We are going to make a reflective image of our drawing, so let's just do a simple line. To make the moon, take any circular object and mark it with pencil. The lower one is for the moon's reflection. Now color it with titanium white. We will be making a tree. Give some beautiful curves to the branches, the twigs, and then dab the brushes for making the leaves. Now, to do the reflective image, I have mixed more amount of water to the color because we will be making a hazy picture. Adding water will reduce the fineness. A little bit of white and black here and there to give a haphazard look. Now we will be doing the couple. For the beginners or anyone who is not comfortable in doing the image directly on the canvas, they can make their preferred drawing on a piece of paper and cut it out. Then simply use that on the canvas and fill it. See? It will act as a stencil and you can fill it with appropriate colors as per your choice. Now let's darken it and do a bit of detailing. In the same process, we will do the reflection. Let's do the stars. Slowly we will remove the masking tape. It's done. I hope you all enjoyed painting with me. Do give it a try and leave a thumbs up if you liked my video. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to never miss on interesting artworks. Always trust your reflexes and keep painting. Bye bye.